Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this city located in the region of Campania in the south of Italy. How do you say it? In English, this is said as Naples. If you're looking at how to say it in Italian, how the Italians say it as well, make sure to stay tuned. I've got the video for you. And how to say other Italian city names too. But for this one, in English, it is simply said as Naples, Naples, as the city that sits on the Bay of Naples in the south of Italy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names of Italian cities, how to say Naples in Italian, and more interesting and useful Italian vocabulary. I'll see you there to learn more. Grazie mille, ciao ciao.